Well, hello there, you people. Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. Just wanted to talk at you for a minute. This flower here is from a Hibiscus syriacus. It's called a Rose of Sharon. It's a lovely little small tree, understory shrub, sunlit edge sort of thing. The petals are edible. They're also very soothing to the throat and teas. This one I don't think has a very strong flavor, although ants might be a little spicy if you eat those. So this is the tree that we planted where Sargent is buried. People aren't easy to love sometimes. Animals either. Sargent came to this neighborhood, oh shoot, I want to say somewhere around 2006, 2007 or so. It was before the Obama administration, so a long, long time ago. What is it now? 2025? So he made it all the way to the winter of 2024, living here. He arrived along with a couple of people that had been obliged to stay in a tent down by the river. A couple, a man and a woman. The woman was pregnant, and so they were put up for the winter here until the man had a better employment situation and was able to help take care of his developing family. Sometimes people just need some help, right? But, you know, new family, new baby, no room for old kitty cat. Well, he wasn't an old kitty cat then, he was just a little kitten that went along with them. But Sargent wound up staying here with us. And he never had a place indoors, he was always an outdoor kitty cat. But as he began to get older, in his final year of life in particular, we went ahead and let him come in for the winter. So being an outdoor cat for his entire life, and I've lost track, how many years was that? 16 maybe? 15, 16 years? Quite a few years. He just never was used to the rules that one has to abide by to be an indoor kitty cat. So even though he was inside and being saved from probably dying of exposure, I found his presence annoying. He didn't know how to jump up on a lap without claws out. He went to the bathroom everywhere except for the litter box. Before the winter was over, I found myself secretly wishing that he would just go ahead and die. And then he did. And now, he's pretty. Don't wait until people die to appreciate them. You've been watching Green Country Agroforestry.